So this is how much money I've got last week with the help of these, and you can do the same thing if you just follow the steps and do the same strategy. Now hit that subscribe button and let's go and do it. First of all, connect to this website, which is called Upvoice. This is very simple. You will just install, browse, and earn. And there's a lot of money in here. Pretty simple. And I'm gonna tell you why you should do it. First of all, you got a lot of money. Second of all, it's very easy. Complete beginners can do it, and it doesn't matter where you come from. So go over to joinupvoice.com, and then you will just sign up, make yourself a quick account. It is free, of course, and just install the Upvoice browser extension. You can use it in any browser that you use. So whichever one you use, you will just go and browse the social media platforms that you love, okay? Now, these platforms include Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, Amazon, okay? And then what you have to do is, as you browse, Upvoice anonymously captures the ads and gives you daily points that can be redeemed for gift cards. So you can see, guys, pretty easy. You will just regularly guys go and just surf the web, whatever you do on those social media accounts, and you will get money in the process. So you don't do anything. You just go and scroll the news media, the social media feeds, whatever you do, and you get a lot of money, guys. So join this community and start earning today. There's a lot of money in here. These guys are collecting the ads that are being served to you, okay? So you don't have to watch those ads. You just have to scroll your news feed, and those ads will be tracked by Upvoice, by this browser extension, okay? And people will, of course, be satisfied. Just take a look at this, earning money for nothing, literally. So who wouldn't add this extension, guys? It is really easy, and anyone can do it, guys. Anyone. A lot of money can be made by just using this extension while you go on Instagram or Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, whichever one of these you use. You get a lot of money, guys. A lot of money. And just take a look at this. Plus, you can earn even more daily points by completing surveys about your browsing experience. So if you have time for that, you can just double your income here. So I highly suggest that you go and use it, guys. Just use it, see what are the profits for you, and write me down in the comments. Now, the next thing which I want to show you, this is Brave.com, guys. This is the browser, and it also can work with Upvoice, but what I like about this browser is that you browse privately, guys. Search privately and ditch big tech. Now, this browser allows you to stop being followed online, so you can turn off the ads when you are just scrolling your web pages. When you're surfing the internet, you can turn off the ads and you will never see an ad again. You don't need nothing else. Ad blocker, that's a thing of the past. This one is blocking the ads when you want. But if you want to see some ads, you can do it as well, because they will show you ads when you want to do that, okay? So you can just choose to watch ads, and in turn, you will get money. These are Brave rewards, guys. So you can see earn crypto tokens for your attention, guys. So they will reward you for seeing certain ads in this browser, okay? So you will get this BAT token, okay? It stands for Basic Attention Token. And if you go to a website, for example, CoinMarketCap, you can just search for Basic Attention Token. It is a real token, real crypto, so you can get it for yourself, okay? It has a really nice price. It is very well rated, but of course, you will need a wallet for that, okay? So later, if you don't like that token, you can exchange that for Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever you want. And for example, this Trust Wallet is really good. App Store, Google Play, wherever you want. It is very nicely rated. Just take a look at this. 10 million downloads, 4.5 out of 5. Trust Wallet is really good. So what you can do, you can just collect these BAT tokens for yourself, and then you can just exchange that via your wallet. You can see here that by default, the Brave browser rips out all the creepy ads and trackers from every web page you visit. Then it gives you the choice to see Brave private ads. Those are the ads which gets you rewarded with these BAT tokens. If you don't want to do it, that's okay. The Brave browser will always be free and private. And these Brave private ads are something really cool. You can just go and, for example, set aside 1 hour or 2 hours so you can watch some ads and get money for that. I mean, we are definitely watching ads every day and we don't get paid for it, right? Well, this is changing. Brave ads give us money. Now hit that subscribe button if you like our videos. Thank you. Now the next beautiful website, guys, is called QMe.com. Make sure you spell this one correctly so you can just do surveys and get a lot of cash, guys. Just take a look at this App Store, Google Play, and the ratings on the App Store and Google Play are crazy, guys. Just take a look at this. 4.6 out of 5 on App Store. Really good rating. On Google Play as well. 1 million downloads, so people are using it. 4.3 out of 5. Really good rating, and the app looks really cool, guys. You can get a lot of money here, and I really mean a lot of money just by doing these tasks, which are really easy. QMe.com on Trustpilot, just take a look at this. 3.8 thousand reviews, 4.4 out of 5, and that's pretty cool. If you take a look at the comments here, you will be amazed, really. QMe is wonderful. Easy surveys and good payouts. The only survey app you need. I fucking love QMe. Well, I love it too, guys. A lot of money, a lot of surveys for cash, so who wouldn't love this? Make yourself an account and go do it, guys. You have a lot of these surveys, you have cashback deals, you have some games even, you have a lot of stuff here. You can earn cash anytime, anywhere, wherever you come from. You can take surveys while you commute, you can earn during your downtime, you can earn while you study. A lot of money, guys. All you need is a PayPal address, so just go and make yourself an account, guys, and use this. A lot of money you can get, guys, just like that. QMe.com, it's really special. Now, this website is also special. You can post on Facebook, you can view funny slideshows, and this is my favorite one. You can play games, and you can get a lot of money. Also, you can install apps for money, you can complete micro tasks, you can answer surveys, and just take a look, 3.9 on Trustpilot, a lot of satisfied people, and if you take a look at the comments here, you will see that people are really satisfied. Great site, easy earn money, people really love it. What I like about this website is that they also have these daily bonuses, okay? So these daily bonuses will get you 100% increase in your rewards, okay? So you will be rewarded instantly, and just take a look at this. Money is coming right away, no waiting. You have weekly payouts, so you don't have to wait for a long time. Just make yourself an account, and when you log in inside, this is how your dashboard is gonna look like. Right away, you can see that you can get 15% commission on the lifetime earnings from your referrals, okay? But you don't have to stop there. Just go on these earn options, and then you will see that you have a lot of these tasks. So you have surveys, content, tasks, referrals, games, offer walls, but just take a look at this. This is something that you can't miss out on. Winners on sweepstakes are drawn at 12 a.m. Friday each week, guys, and there is a lot of money on these sweepstakes. Just take a look at this. If you are first, so if you are the most active person here during 1 week, you get $250, just like that, guys, just for your activity. And if you're second, you get $50, and the prizes are going all the way down to 30th place, which gives you $5, and that's just for free, guys. So what I would suggest is that you just go and do these offers, and then of course enter sweepstakes, and then when you are satisfied with the amount of money that you've got, go on settings, go on payment method, and you can see that you have a lot of these payment methods. Of course, Bitcoin is what I would suggest always, because you can get a lot of money via that, guys. So just go, invest your time, take that action, and I will catch you later.